There's Eugene right there. What's up?
We broke Melbourne, bro. We broke Melbourne.
Fam. So we currently at the Sneaker Laundry cafe, like grand opening. I was very fortunate that I know the owner, Eugene. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but yeah, we out here and ordered some drinks, and man, it's popping here, man. Especially with the music, I can see behind me. Music's blazing, and we also got the drinks flowing. Let me show you guys. There's Eugene right here. There's Eugene right there. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
We broke Melbourne, bro. We broke Melbourne.
I know, just like Sydney. Man, I need to show you guys the line. The line is crazy. All right, guys, I'm just gonna show you what the line's like. There's Christian. Hey, look at his face. Look at his face. So the line continues all the way here. Anyway guys, if you don't know, they already had one in Sydney, and that one went absolutely bonkers, and now they're just doing it again in Melbourne. Not surprised for this actual, hey, how's it going?
Come out to the farm.
Out to the farm, guys.
You come out to the
Hey, this is Eugene. Eugene's mate.
He came out, he milked a cow,
Did he?
did the whole thing.
No way.
They're serving the best milk here.
Did they
don't
film
you-
him do that? I want to see him do
It's on
that.
camera.
Did
You got
it?
cow shit all over it.
Okay, yeah,
all
it's
good.
funny.
Yeah.
Oh, hello, what's the dog's name?
Buddy.
Buddy. Hi, Buddy.
Buddy's loving the city. He's never been to Melbourne before.
Oh, really?
No,
Are
it's
you,
his first
you
time.
gotta get some matcha, Buddy? Yeah?
He's
Yeah?
loving-
All right. I'll see you
Nice
guys
to
soon.
meet you.
Take care. Eugene's really a man of the people, as you can see here. Hey, man.
Driving people.
Is he?
He's
Okay.
driving people.
He's bribing people with pastries over here. Anyway, let's go. I don't know where my drinks are, so let's go check it out. Yo, we got some drinks here. Shout out to the Sneaker Laundry lab, cafe lab. Yeah, there he is. Tommy, what's up? So we're here at the Sneaker Laundry lab. That's what it is. We're here for some free matcha. And yeah, which one do you gotta choose?
That one?
I forgot the names. I forgot the names, man. Matcha cloud, there's a matcha something, and a matcha chocolate. No, I'm making up names now. But there's three there for you. You can choose which one. I don't know. You want to go for that one? Okay. Tell me if it's good. Yeah, good. Yeah, you like it? Yeah. Oh, good on you, man. There's E-Man on the back of the camera. Yeah.
That's crazy. It's free.
Oh, I paid. I got one's free,
Okay.
but two is you have to pay for it. But it's alright. I wanted to support the boys, support Eugene, and his Sneaker Laundry lab grand opening. I just came back from an event at the Sneaker Laundry Lab where they were giving out the free matchas. Now you guys saw how crazy the line was. It was absolutely around the whole block and everything. Pretty exciting. So happy for Eugene and the rest of the crew there working hard. Because I was speaking to Will and he was telling me that they had enough milk to get, or whatever, drinks to get through pretty much multiple days. I was like worried that they probably wouldn't have enough like free drinks for everyone that came, or by the time 4 o'clock comes, I was like thinking maybe they run out of drinks, but hey, they said they're ready for it, and yeah, because they definitely got a whole stockpile of ingredients. Yeah, shout out to Eugene for absolutely killing the event, and shout out to him for the free matcha, man. But I also got this one. Delicious. Organizing events like these aren't easy. I can probably say that for myself. Much love to Eugene, because he's a great guy. I wish him all the best in all these endeavors. Yeah, definitely if you guys into trying to get some matcha or some coffee and you're in the area, like the Flinders Lane area, definitely check out the Sneaker Laundry Lab. Or hey, if you want to get some shoes clean, definitely go to the Sneaker Laundry right next to it, man. Because they're gonna be there pretty much all day. Peace.
Hey guys, so now we are here at Hosier Lane. Known to for ano bang
It's
known?
mainly just graffiti, so it's very popular for a lot of street artists. They come here, as you can see behind us, all the very vibrant graffiti.
Yeah, and it's super nice guys kasi as in the whole strip, the whole lane here is full of graffiti yung mga buildings. It's really nice.
This is actually the entrance way to going to Culture Kings. It's sort of like Culture Kings, if you guys don't know, is sort of like a streetwear store. They used to have rappers go in there to do, I don't know, their promotional work and stuff. If you guys know 2J's Kicks from a long time ago,
yeah.
I took him here. We did some video.
way.
So
Cool.
he's really nice. And they even have like basketball competitions with a basketball ring. So pag na-shoot mo, you get free shoes.
No way. Ready ka na ba mag-shoot?
I think it's only promotion na. Baka ma-miss lang, airball lang ako eh.
So I think that's it.
Okay.
So punta na tayo sa Culture Kings. Hi! Ayan na si Mark. So ito lang nag-record, this one. Cool
I think
guys.
that's the light that indicates.
It's recording.
We're basically going to be doing another pickups video from, I think it was from around May to June, around that time. So I did get a couple of sneakers. I also got a couple of pieces. I got some local brands as well that I want to show to you guys because I'm really thankful for all the local brands that do support this channel. So shout out to you guys. But yeah, if you guys haven't been following, please do me that really big solid and please subscribe to the channel. You don't have to, totally. I can totally understand if it's not your thing, but if it is your thing, please support the channel by hitting that subscribe button and also hitting that bell. Anyway, let's get into this video. All right, guys. So the first one I want to talk about is Gorilla Supply. Gorilla Supply. So they sent me out a pair of shorts. These are actually really hard, but check out the details on this, man. This is awesome. It's got the included yellow belt, heaps of pockets, even on the back. It comes with these really cool like belt loops. They also generously gave me this really awesome t-shirt. I know it's really plain at the front, but check out the back. Man, that's hard, man. Hey, that's a hard t-shirt, man. It's really nice quality. It's pretty thick. It's actually quite nice wearing this during the winter. Shout out to Gorilla Supply. Definitely check them out. I got a couple of Nike ACG pieces. I don't know if you guys can remember when I went on that Nike ACG. I went on that Nike ACG hike out in Point Addis. And I won a shirt. I already have this shirt, this Devastation Trail shirt. Shout out to Tom and also Karen for doing the raffles and doing the giveaways. And as you can see, there's a special little kind of embroidery done right there. If you guys can't tell what it is, it's basically Mount Fuji. And there's a couple of sakuras there, down here, sakura flowers, cherry blossoms. It's like my favorite piece of clothing from Nike ACG. So shout out to Karen, who did an awesome job with the embroidery. Definitely check out Nike ACG Nike ACG Community Australia. If you ever like doing those hikes and stuff, definitely check them out. This hat, I haven't even taken off the tag yet, but it's basically, so it's got the flap at the back. I don't know if you guys can see it. So it basically covers the back of your neck, any coverage around the neck. You can take the whole back piece off and it just becomes a normal hat. It's so cool. The material feels really nice. It's adjustable at the back. I don't know when I'm gonna go hiking again, but I'm definitely gonna be wearing this one on that hike. I was also given some other pieces from a Johnny Big. Well, they gave it to me, but what they did was they gave me credit. So the first one is this one. I really like this one. This is nice and thick. All their stuff is definitely high quality. And if you're a big guy like me with wide shoulders, man, I'm telling you guys, look at that, man. It's like so nice. It fits, well, I don't know. It just fit me really well. And this is an extra large. Hides my gut. That's probably the main thing I love about it the most. Man, I love this one. So shout out to Johnny Big. On the day when I was actually trying stuff on, it just looked really nice on the shelf. And then when I tried it on body, man, I was just like really impressed. It just like it's very rare for like a suit or a blazer jacket like this to fit me so well. So I immediately pretty much fell in love with the jacket straight away. I don't know. It's like a really nice fabric, and once again, the quality on this, man, I will definitely be wearing this a whole lot more, especially in the future. Check out Johnny Big, guys. I got some pieces from Nike. I got this wind cheater. Also got some Uniqlo just working out shirts. Also got one in white. I hardly ever get things in white, but since we have Unity games coming up, I do need a shirt that's that matches the Lakers colors, because that's what the uniform colors are. And got a size large, but I feel like I should have got an extra large. But I'm not gonna lie, the factory have some pretty good stuff, man. Like I usually go there because they have like really trendy stuff that I wanted ages ago but could never afford. So factory kind of makes sort of like a cheaper version of it. So I don't know if you guys remember when Stussy was like shelling out the cropped mesh shirts. But this is a small to medium, and yeah, it pulls off the look pretty well, I believe. Looks really nice on body. Man, it looks sick, man. I love it. I also got a blue one. Tell me that doesn't look hard, man. That looks sick. I think it's a nice fit, man. What do you guys think, man? Man, for the cut of this one, for like 40 bucks, yo, bro, this is the one, bro. This is the one. And lastly, I just want to show you guys my pickups for footwear. These are just Climacools. Adizero Climacools. Really, really nice on feet, but very, very snug to put on. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, I got it on right now. You can definitely go running in these. These are quite comfortable. Not the most comfortable, but quite comfortable. And I definitely highly recommend it. And the last piece I want to show you guys are these. These are the React Rejuvenates by Nike. So these are actually really plain and simple. They were only $100. I got it from Supply Store, and they're like foam runners. I don't know, Yeezy foam runners, if you guys remember that. It's basically just them. These sold out absolutely everywhere, especially because they do have React technology into it, so they're very, very comfortable. I definitely highly recommend it from if you're like you need a comfortable shoe to go to sport like me. If when I play basketball, I just need a really comfortable shoe to slide into and out, like especially after the game and everything. This is absolutely perfect. Thanks once again for watching the video, guys. I hope you learned something from it. And man, I'm really excited about this one, man. Like, I actually might just wear this fit to the upcoming kickstand event this coming Saturday. It's going to be at the Coburg Town Hall in Melbourne. So if you guys are free, definitely check it out. Lots of sneakers there. A lot of sneakerheads going to be there too. So if you definitely like sneakers or anything like pop culture, you know, toys, clothes and all that kind of stuff, cards, just check it out, man. There's so much people. It's just good to be amongst people that have the same interests as you and just basically hang out, talk, eat together, just hang out, discuss other sneakers, discuss other cards, discuss other collectibles that you like. It's just a whole fun moment. So definitely highly recommend that if you're free, definitely check it out. It's going to be this Saturday at Coburg Town Hall. I think the doors open around 11 o'clock usually. And I think it closes around 4, so definitely check it out. Anyway, guys, thanks once again for watching this video. I super appreciate all you guys that have been watching me throughout the years and watching my videos. Thank you so much. And yes, once again, thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.